Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to generate video with Copilot and Clipchamp. Clipchamp enables commercial users, those who access Clipchamp with an intro ID account, with Microsoft 365 plan and access to Copilot Chat to create videos. Only users in organizations where Clipchamp is enabled by their admin will see create a video option in Copilot Create, and with Copilot users can transcribe the video they want by entering a prompt in Copilot's Create Hub. Users can also use the Generate a Video feature directly in Clipchamp Video Editor app. The feature will then use the prompt to generate a script, create an AI-generated voice narrative, and compile stock footage to compose a video for the user in Clipchamp. The video can be edited further, like changing the script, changing voice, swap stock with user media, and by the user using all our existing video editing tools within Clipchamp. So how do you create a video in Copilot? Simply open the Create Hub from within Copilot. It is one of the options in the menu on the left when launching the Copilot app in Windows or going to the M365 Cloud Microsoft in the browser. Once you are doing that, click in the description box and enter your prompt or use one of the suggested prompts to start your video creation. Then, if you want the content of the video to come from PowerPoint slide deck you have already created, or add your PowerPoint file, if you have a script in Word, just add your Word file as well. So, select the arrow to submit the prompt. Once you are happy with it, wait for approximately 30 seconds for a video to be created for you, and once created you will be able to review the draft online, play to review your video, and if you want to make changes to the draft video, select Open with Clipchamp button. Alternatively, you can reprompt and have another iteration of your draft video created. A new video will be generated for you below the current video, so that's another result for you. And yeah, once you're done, click on export button and it should be available for you to easy sharing. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.